Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you if you're getting an error message while you type vite. Vite is not recognized as an internal or external command. Vite is, if you don't know, it's a very popular development environment similar to Webpack. It's used with almost every front-end framework, React, Vue, Build. It's a build tool for the web application. So if you're getting this error message, I think you haven't installed it correctly. So for installing globally, you need to add the flag here npm i-g for globally installing vite. So just execute this command. This will execute vite globally inside your system. You will see it has added these packages. So if you execute the vite command, now you will see the version of vite which is installed 6.2.3, and for this you should have node.js installed. So I'm using the latest version of node.js, which is 23.7.0. If you just type vite, it will start the development server, and vite is a very popular build environment. You can just create a simple React project. It actually takes very less time. This is the command here, npm create vite @ followed by your app name. So here it actually tells you all the options which app you want to create. So it's a great build process. So in this way you can fix that error message. Thank you very much for watching this video. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.